guys, Haz here at Shield K9. This is going to be part 2 to video Don't Buy Puppies Like This. Judging by the feedback that I got on part 1, a lot of you guys still don't understand. So when you see a puppy like that, that is not a lack of socialization. Number one, I know for a fact that the owners definitely had that dog from young and that the dog lived a normal life. Number two, there's absolutely no evidence to suggest the puppy was taken away from mom too early, and that's another common myth. As a breeder, I've had puppies that I've had to remove from the mother early. It doesn't impact the sociability negatively at all. That's absolute nonsense. It starts in genetics and it ends in genetics. And it's from people breeding dogs for looks, not for the character of the dog. The primary consideration is always the character and the temperament and the drive of the dog. I'm just going to show you. So we're going to start with a dog that I've got. I imported her a couple weeks ago. No training on this dog whatsoever. Okay guys, so this is Isa. Look, nice social behavior. She's been in this room twice. You're going to see what a dog looks like who's been in this room 30, 40 times now. I'm going to compare afterwards. But this is the kind of females I breed here for work. So just hold there. Just be opposed there. We're going to do some quick protection work. Again. Yeah! That's genetics, guys. I did bite work with this dog once before. She had a few bites in the Czech Republic before she was sold to me. Okay? It's not a dog that's done any extensive training. This is the genetics of the dog. I put a lot of pressure on her, more than she's seen ever, really. This is the genetics of the dog. Good, firm, hard grips, social character. She didn't come in here nasty. Good. Take her. Again, female with no training, social temperament. She didn't come in here trying to eat people. She just came in here normal. She was happy. She was open. That's the behavior I want to see. The second the dog comes to a new place, I created some agitation. I put some pressure on her, and she brought it. That's the kind of dog you breed. A famous trainer in Germany once said, when a dog faces adversity, that dog will reach back into his or her ancestry for help. And if he or she doesn't find anyone there, then they will not be successful. So I just want you guys to just kind of start understanding what a good breeder looks for, okay? So stop making excuses and do better. Okay guys, this is another one. This female CC. This female does have training. The most important thing for us when we're breeding a working breed is the behavior of the dog and of course the health. Yeah! Social, open temperament, environmental sureness, willingness to work. That is what you breed on.